High-quality ESD control flooring manufactured by Y.H.F Floors in China is an ideal choice for laboratories, safeguarding against electrostatic hazards. Because no need for ESD waxing, the total cost is very competitive. Static electricity can pose significant risks in laboratories, particularly where electronic devices and sensitive materials are involved. ESD can damage electronic components, disrupt experiments, and compromise the integrity of scientific research. Static control. Antistatic PVC flooring tiles are engineered to dissipate static electricity, providing a reliable barrier against electrostatic discharge. This protection is essential for safeguarding valuable equipment and ensuring the safety of personnel. Durability. Made from high-quality PVC, these static flooring tiles are not only effective in static control but also durable and resistant to wear. They can withstand the demands of high-traffic laboratory environments, maintaining their performance over time. Easy cleaning. ESD vinyl flooring tiles are designed for easy cleaning. Their smooth, non-porous surfaces are easy to clean, which is essential for laboratories that require stringent hygiene standards. Regular cleaning helps prevent the accumulation of dust and contaminants, ensuring that the ESD flooring remains both functional and visually appealing.